I can go look up there. You can climb up that ladder behind the stage and look all the way across.
Like it sounds like banging on pipes or something.
Yeah. Remember that night we heard someone walk behind the stage and up the ladder? And then walk all across here. But then there was no one up there. I thought maybe it was an animal. But
See, that big bang is what we heard right before they came in.
Hello? It sounds like walking, like hard sole shoes.
Yes, it does.
I mean, if that's an animal, that's a big animal. Where are the pipes at?
The basement.
Basement? That's what that sounds like to me. Like banging on pipes.
Yeah.